Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates and freeing a little storage. This prevents slowdowns. Open Google Photos, pick the shot you want, then tap Edit, Tools, and Magic Eraser to enter removal mode. You'll see suggested marks. Use them first because the algorithm often gets easy spots right. If a suggestion looks wrong, tap to undo it. Once done with suggestions, switch to manual strokes for trickier areas so you control what gets removed and how the background fills in. Now refine the selection. Start with the auto suggestions and then paint directly on the object to remove remaining fragments. You can change brush size by pinching or using on-screen controls, which helps with edges and small details. Zoom in to work near hairlines or complex textures. Steady strokes reduce artifacts. Make multiple small removals rather than one large swipe because the fill algorithm blends better piecemeal. Once satisfied, tap Done and inspect the result against the original for any visible seams. Finish by exporting a full-resolution copy so you keep the original intact, then review at 100% to catch flaws. If you see artifacts, use Undo and perform another pass with smaller strokes. Sometimes changing stroke direction helps the algorithm guess the background correctly. Make sure complex patterns receive multiple small removals rather than one big erasure. If problems persist, try a clone or healing tool in a secondary editor as a backup. This often cleans seams the magic eraser can't resolve on its own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.